Hey guys, this is the Earbuds Comfort, Fit, and Sound Isolation. This is a very old one. I got it from 7-Eleven only like a couple minutes ago. This is back then. iPod, iPhone, and MP3. Plays with jack. 3.5mm jack for all. Something about this behind. No, I don't actually have my radio. I could use that. But let's take this. Let's open this guy up. Sorry. Let's just. Come on, just. I don't have scissors, so I have to use my thing. Oh, I don't need it. There you go. Okay. Just give me a second. Hold up. Hold out. Okay, there we go. It's out. Let's put you right here. There we go. Got this little casing. And now we just try to. Alright, it's open. Okay, boom. We got this thing out. Is it ripped? Oh no, it's a little thing. This little casing. Oh yeah, this right here, like all of this, and that plane right there, is an upcoming video. But I actually have this, but it's kind of broken. Here it is. I actually haven't tested this yet. It's actually my first time. Put this right here. Here it is. Let's unravel this. It's actually pretty. This thing is actually pretty soft. Let's put it on my ears, actually. They're pretty soft, but they're one of those headphones that there's no size to them. It's pretty long. The cable is like that long. Now, I'm actually gonna keep this in this. Let's get my, where's my radio at? It has to be here. Oh, here it is. Actually, I bought something else, but I'll review that later. Right. I have my little radio right here. Headphone jack. Let's play it on something. Extend it.
For 16 to 51 weeks increased from 27% in 2016 to 32% last year. Nearly a quarter of pastors said their
headphone one.
But whenever hardships impact an organization,
And headphone two. Wait, what? For some reason, the second one does not want to work. Maybe because it's just like one speaker. But there it is. I believe these things actually do work. It's just my radio only has like one speaker. But yeah, that's it. That's it for this one. For this little guy. Like and subscribe, and yeah, see you later.